Hello everyone! Today we're going to paint watercolor lollipops using my Watercolor Procreate Brushes set, which you can download via the link in the description. To get started, download the palette, reference image, and sketch. Open canvas number 4 from my set and place the sketch above the paper layer. Next, select the Draw Here layer, choose the main brush, set its size to 56%, pick the red color, the first in the palette, and start painting the bright red elements on the lollipops and the stick. This step helps to create the translucent effect of the lollipops. Paint around the candy without reaching the edges, as the edges will appear darker. Now switch to a slightly darker color, the second in the palette, and paint the main parts of the lollipops. Add extra strokes where you see shadows to make the color richer and denser. Use this color for the areas of the stick that are inside the lollipops, applying several strokes to build up opacity. This gives the lollipops a sense of volume. Switch to an even darker shade, the third in the palette, to create shadows under the stick and along the candy's edges. For deeper tones, layer the strokes in these areas. Next, let's move on to the sticks. Use a light beige color, reduce the brush size to 36%, and paint along the side of the stick where the light falls. Then, switch to a dark beige color to paint the shadowed side, giving the stick more dimension. Don't forget to add shadows where one stick overlaps another. Now, select the Water Blend brush, set its size to 25%, and blend the colors on the lollipops to create smooth transitions. This brush mimics the effect of water in traditional watercolor painting. Reduce the brush size to 11% to refine smaller details. Create a new layer above the Draw Here layer for highlights. Switch back to the main brush, select white, and paint highlights as indicated in the sketch. Then, use the water blend brush to soften the edges of the highlights. Next, go to the Layers panel and hide the sketch layer. Create a new layer beneath the Draw Here layer, choose the hard edge brush, set its size to 100%, and use a dark red color, the third in the palette, to add watercolor effects. Go back to the Layers panel, merge the highlight layer with the Lollipops layer. Repeat this process for all layers until the lollipops are combined into one layer. Swipe left on the combined layer to duplicate it. Select the lower layer and adjust its brightness to 100% in the Adjustments menu. Duplicate this white layer a few times and merge them into one. This ensures the base is opaque and doesn't let the background show through. Create a new layer underneath the lollipops and fill it with a pink background. Let's add shadows for the candies. Duplicate the layer with the white candies, select the lower copy and fill it with dark gray. Then go to Adjustments, select Gaussian blur and slide your pencil until the blur value reaches about 11%. Move this shadow layer slightly to the left and up. Then, in the Layers panel, change the blending mode to Multiply and reduce the opacity to 70 to 80%. Congratulations! We've completed our illustration. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and had fun painting along. If you'd like to further develop your skills and find more creative inspiration, I invite you to join my Patreon. There you will find over 30 detailed step-by-step PDF tutorials with palettes and sketches, over 20 drawing lessons in video format with voiceover, 5 sets of exclusive brushes and much more. Thanks for drawing with me today, and see you in the next lesson.